Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to show you how to post high-quality Instagram stories. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where you'll begin the process of uploading your story in the best possible quality. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This takes you to your profile page, where you can access your settings. Step 3. On your profile page, tap on the 3-line button in the top right. This opens the menu where you'll find important options for your account. Step 4. Scroll down and find the Your App and Media section. This is where Instagram stores settings related to media quality and data usage. Step 5. Tap on Data Usage and Media Quality. Here you can adjust how your photos and videos are uploaded to Instagram. Step 6. Under Media Upload Quality, turn on the highest quality option. This ensures your stories are posted in full resolution without compression. Step 7. Now go back to the home screen. You're ready to create a story with the best possible quality settings enabled. Step 8. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select the story option. This opens the camera and gallery for you to choose your content. Step 9. Choose the photo or video you want to post and edit your story as needed. Add filters, text, or stickers to make it stand out. Step 10. Finally, tap on your story to share it. Now, your followers will see your content in stunning high quality. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.